Welcome to another video. This one's on WordPress once again. This will be a migration tool. This is how you can bring a WordPress website from the internet down to a local site. It could be a blank one. It's just a brand new website. And then you override it with what you download. Okay, this way you can do all your editing, playing, experimenting, whatever you want to do. You might even create another website and have it look exactly like the one up there. So that way you can practice implementing the new ideas that you have from the one that you used to develop. Then when you're finally safe and secure, then you can put it up there. You can do the same technique. Or you can just go ahead and upload the one you got locally. Although, if you got comments active, you may not want to do that because you'll miss out on all those comments from that time frame. All right, but this is a very useful technique for doing things. Okay. Now, who am I? My name's Lewis Wood. I am 30 years programmer, and my retinitis pigmentosus, blind, not too long ago. And so now I learned how to do accessibility, and the technology for accessibility has really picked up quite a bit recently. And so now I'm back, and here I am. Now, let's begin with our website here. All right, I've got a page here. This is my website. I will do, I'm using JAWS and insert JAWS key and the letter A reads the address bar without moving to it.
https://linterose.org/.
See, it says .org on the end of Blind Heroes. That means it's my website.
Main region.
Now I hit Q for the main region, and I'm at the main region. Let's read the front page.
Article. Heading level 1. Welcome to Blind Heroes. Who is a blind hero? You are. Any blind person achieving in a left quote sighted world designed by sighted people for sighted people. Right quote. My goal in this website is to present fellow blind people will learn enough to not only teach tricks and techniques sighted and blind joining forces to design a world that accommodates.
As you can tell, I've got a front page. All right, on that one, you'll see it in the local when you see it in a moment.
Wrapping to top. Main region.
Okay.
Primary menu list end. Link con open menu button column link all resources. Visited link about me. Visited link blog.
This is my blog.
Enter. Banner region. Primary menu navigation region. List with 5 items. Visited link blog. Blog blind heroes. Blog blind heroes.
Now on the blog, my first blog entry on the website.
WordPress site in 5 minutes. Visited heading level 2 link.
Oh, see, I got it there.
Gutenberg blog editor in depth. Visited heading level 2 link.
So I've
WordPress
got
site
two
in 5
blog
minutes. Visited heading level 2
entries
link.
up there extra, and I have a home page. That's correct. Now let's see what I got locally.
Blind heroes reaching new heights and proving what is possible. What happened to my front page? ...
I hear that you heard what it said there.
Wrapping to top. Main article. Heading level 1. Welcome to Blind Heroes.
It says, welcome to Blind Heroes.
What happened to my front page? ...
Oh, on my local site, I deleted the front page. And I said, what happened to it? I just needed something to demonstrate this. So I'll hit the JAWS key and the letter A.
http://linterose.local/.
See, it says .local. That's how I know for sure it's my local. Let's go check the blog.
Wrapping to top. Main primary menu list end. Link contact open menu button collab. Visited link all resources. Link about me. Visited link blog. Enter.
Okay.
Banner region. Primary menu navigation region. List with 5 items. Blog link. Blog blind heroes. Blog blind heroes.
Okay.
WordPress walkthrough creating website chef blog part 3 of 3 heading level 2 link.
Oh, that's from a while back. Yeah. So I'm missing 2 blog entries. All right. I need to get those back. I'm going to put them here on the local. So what I'll do is I'll just download from the website from up on the internet. That's the easiest way to do it. So let's begin. I'll switch over.
Blog blind heroes. Visited heading level 2 link WordPress site in 5 minutes.
Okay, now I tabbed over to Blind Heroes. Let's make sure I'm on the org site.
https://linterose.org/blog/.
Okay, I'm on the org site.
Control L. Toolbar. Address and search bar end. Blank.
Yeah, I went to the address bar, hit the end key, and now I'm at the end. I'm going to hit Control Shift and the tab, the left arrow key to go by word.
// selected. Blind Heroes selected. https:// select https:// Blind Heroes unselected. // unselected. blank, https:// blank,
Okay, now I'm after the org, and now I'm going to type in
WP-admin, selected, dash. Enter, blinterose.org/WP-admin, selected, dashboard single left pointing angle quotation mark.
Now it's WP admin. It didn't ask me to log in because I was already logged in. Okay. And now
Control Windows C.
Now I need to go and get to the backup program. Okay. All right, let's go find that.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Backup 0. 54 of 92. To move to items, use the arrow keys. Import. 53 of 92. Skip to main content. 1 of 92. B. Background. 33 of 92. B. Block patterns. 30. B. Backup 0. 50. Import. Export. 52. Alt dash and dash 1 WP migration.
See,
51
that's
of 92.
all -1 in migration. Okay.
Export. 52 of 92.
Now I need to export.
Enter. Wrapping to top. Main region. Heading level 1 export site. List of 1 items.
Okay, now I hit Q for main region, which you can hit R or D for if you're on MDDA. And then
find less text greater, replace with less another dash text greater in the database.
You can do replace stuff and all that.
List end. ADD button. Heading level 4 advanced options left paren, click to expand right paren.
And you can do the advanced options for exporting your data, but I'm not going to do any of that.
Export to. List of 16 items. Linked file.
Yeah, I'm going to hit file.
Enter. Export single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Preparing to export ...
Okay, so now it's exporting it, and the dialog has shown up. And in a few moments, it should be done. Let's see, I'll hit the tab key.
Stop export button. To activate, press enter.
Nope.
Search tabs button menu. To dialog. Stop export button. To activate, press enter. Export single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress.
All right.
Content info region. Dialog. Download blinterose.org size 113 megabytes link. Blinterose.org.
See, it says download. That's what I want. Now, what I did was I hit tab and shift tab a couple times until I got to that.
Enter. Alert. Downloading 113 megabytes. Blinterose.org-202202221-19. Close button. To activate, press enter. Enter. Export alert. Download complete blinterose.org-202202221-1935042-2 SMSB5.WordPress. Press shift plus F6 to cycle to the downloads bar area. Downloads bar. Options menu button. Show all button. Close button. To enter. Export single left pointing.
There we are. I closed that. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and and close the internet site.
Close. Log blind heroes dash Google Chrome. Heading level 2 link WordPress walkthrough creating website check log part 3 of 3.
Now I'm going to go ahead and do the address bar on this one.
Control L. Selected. blinterose.local/blog/ tool end blank. Blog/ selected. Blank. Blinterose.local. Press tab and enter to remove suggestion. 1 of 6 p-p-admin. Selected.
All right.
Enter. blinterose.local/wp-admin. Selected. blinterose.local/wp-admin/Google Chrome. Heading level 2 link WordPress walkthrough creating web.
Now I'm on the local website, and I need to get to the part where I import a website, a backup.
Links list dialog. Links list view. B. Background. 33B. Block patterns. 30B. Backup 0. 54 of 92.
Okay. I just hit B because I happen to know that usually works out, and I can go find it.
Import. 53 of 92.
I'm pretty sure this is all in one, but I'll go ahead and go up to demonstrate it for you.
Export. Alt dash and dash 1 WP migration. 51 of 92. One. Export. 52 of 92. Import. 53 of 92.
Okay, and I'll hit import.
Enter.
And it should refresh the screen.
Wrapping to top. Main region. Heading level 1 import site.
All right. Now this is going to be a little tricky as I do it. Right now I got my virtual cursor on, but I'll have to turn it off in a moment. You'll see why. When I go through here, it's going to...
drag and drop it back up to import it.
Drag and drop just doesn't work for blind people. It's just too difficult.
Import from.
Okay, there we are. We got the import from.
Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Visited link to choose a file. Please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Off. URL link.
Now see, what I did was I turned the virtual cursor off and I got the URL. Now watch this. I do a shift tab.
To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. Logout link. Main region. List with 17 items. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. Space. URL link. On. Off. To choose a file, please go inside the URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. Space. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click. To choose a file, please go inside the. To choose a file, please go inside. To choose a file, please go inside. URL link. FTP link. Dropbox link. FTP link. URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. Altar.
Okay, I'm going to try it again. See if I can get it to work the accessible way. So if I can't get it the accessible way, then I'll just magnify it and do it manually. But accessible seems to be hit or miss. So let's see what happens.
Shift F5.
All right.
Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Main region.
I did a Shift F5 because I'm clearing the buffers and trying
Shift
to get
F5.
this totally start fresh. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Off. On.
I'm turning virtual cursor on.
Main region.
I'm at the main region.
Heading level. Main region. List with 17 items. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link.
Now that's the thing you hear. It says to go into the link, choose a file. I don't know how you go into it.
Visited link URL.
See, I hit the down arrow. So I guess I'm inside the link now.
Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Visited link URL. Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button.
See?
Visited link URL. Link FTP. Visited link URL.
I don't hear a browse button. Do you hear a browse button?
Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. URL link.
Oh.
Link FTP. URL link. Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button.
There, I'll hit the space bar.
Space. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link. URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link.
See, it says link there. All right.
Control space.
I did a control space. Nope, that didn't work.
Control enter. New tab page.
Nope, that didn't work either.
Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Main menu navigation region. Skip to main content same page link.
Nope.
Main region. Heading level 1 import site. Drag and drop it back up to import it. Import from list of 17 items. Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click visited link URL.
Yeah. Now I'll turn off the virtual cursor and try it without it.
Off. Selected /admin.php page equals AI1WM under main menu navigation region. Skip to main content link. Skip to toolbar link.
Oops.
On. Main region.
Okay, I'm back at the main region. Let's try it. Let's try tabbing down there again.
Main region. URL link.
Yeah, I'm at the URL.
Visited link to choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Off.
Yeah, I turned off the virtual cursor now.
FTP link. URL link. To choose a file, please go in. To choose a file, please go. To choose a file, please go inside. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Period. Enter.
See?
URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link.
I can't get to it.
URL link. FTP link. URL link. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button.
All right,
link.
I'll hit the...
Joins to PC.
I'm trying to JAWS cursor now.
Import from. My resources. Import from. Contact. Import from. I am from. Contact.
See, it won't let me do it
Escape.
from there either. Okay.
PC.
I'll go to PC cursor.
Q. Escape. Q.
Oops.
Top. To choose a file, please go inside the queue.
Oops.
On. Wrapping to top. Main region.
Okay, I've got the virtual cursor back up there. And now I'm going to go back down again.
Wrapping to top. Main region. Wrapping to top. Main region. Heading level 1 import site. Drag and drop it back up to import it. Import from. List of 17 items. Wrapping to top. Main region.
Why is it every time I do that?
Wrapping to top. Main region. Heading level 1 import site. Drag and drop it back up to import it. Import from. List of 17 items. Enter. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress.
Okay.
Main menu navigation region. Same page link skip to main content.
Now, if I do a Shift F7,
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to main content. 1 of 9. Skip to toolbar. Dashboard. 3 of 94.
yeah,
U. Updates. 5 of 94. U. Users. 40 of 94. U. URL. 74 of 90. FTP. 75 of 94.
see, there's that.
URL. 74 of
There it
94.
is. Now it's right above it. It should be.
To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse
See?
button. 73 of enter.
I hit
Version
enter
static.
there.
Version static. Import single left pointing angle quotation
I
mark
hit
blind
there.
heroes WordPress
Nope,
Google
it
Chrome.
don't work. Okay.
Q.
All right.
Off. Q. Escape. Top. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress Google Chrome. On. Q. R. Escape. Escape. Refreshed. Q.
What? It's not working. Let's try this.
Shift F5. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress Google Chrome.
All
Main
right,
menu
I
navigation region.
refreshed it.
Main region. Heading level 1. Drag and drop it back up to import it. Import from. List of 17 items.
Okay. Now, I've got 17 items. I'm going to do it this way because that's just a pain in the ass. I'm going to zoom it in really big.
1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2, 2.25, 2.5, 2.3, 3, 4, 4.5, 6, 7, 8. Visited link to choose a file. Please go inside the link and click on the browse button. List of 17 items. Import from.
Uh-huh. See, I can see that import from now. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the insert.
JAWS to PC.
Here we are. I got the JAWS cursor up.
My resources. Import from. I. M. P. O. O. Space. Appearance. Plugins maximum upload file size: 100 virtual PC. List of 17 items.
There it is again.
Visited link to choose a file. Please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Space. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Visited link to choose a file. Please go. Visited link URL.
Uh-huh.
Visited link to choose a file. Please go inside the link and click on the list of 17 items. Import from.
See, I got it right there.
From. To. Skip. To. Main. Content. Main. To. Skip. Region.
You see, I've got a little bit of site and...
Same page link. Skip to main content. Main menu navigation region. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Main menu navigation region. Same page link. Skip to URL link. Visited link to choose a file. Please go inside the link and click on the browse button.
See, that's where it is.
Now dash.
Oops.
Dash. Now lock off. JAWS to PC.
Okay.
I. India.
And there it says import from. I'm going to click there.
Left click. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Main menu navigation region. Same page links. Same page links. List of 15 items. Link has pop-up menu dashboard. List of 2 items nesting level 1. Link home. Visited link updates. Virtual PC. List and nesting level 1. Visited has pop-up menu link posts. List of 4 items nesting. Visited has pop list and nesting level. Visited link updates. Link home. List of 2 items nesting level 1. Main menu navigation region. List with 15 items. List with 2 items. Home. Updates link. Posts has pop-up menu link. Google Chrome settings Chrome.exe CHROM main region. Main region. List with 17 items. To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on space.
There we are.
No file chosen. Choose file. Push button.
See, I moved the mouse around and I got it zoomed in, and that's how I have to find it.
Choose file. Push button.
Sometimes it goes a lot faster than other times I find it. Sometimes I don't. But I've got it zoomed in real good, and it's got this FILE, but it doesn't say it's a link. But yet, that's what you
No file
want to
chosen.
select.
Choose file. Push button.
And if I go below it,
To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Link URL. Link.
and
No
then
file
right
chosen.
above
Choose
it
file.
says
Push button.
file. And I click here, and now it will work.
To choose a file, please go inside the link and click on the browse button. Visited link. Open dialog. File name: edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt plus N. 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3.3.
Now I'm going to send this video to All-in-One and try to get them to address this problem. Even though I already complained to them once and I thought they were going to take care of it and test it, but I don't know who their tester is.
Items view. Header. Date modified split button. Today expanded. Blinteros.org-20221-19350-4-2SMSB5.WordPress 2/21 enter.
I selected the one I downloaded earlier.
Reaper 649 under blinteros.org-202 enter. Import single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress Google Chrome unavailable. Main region list with 17 items. To choose a file, please go inside 2222111.
Okay. Now, what it's doing is it displays a dialog box and it's analyzing it. And what I do is I just hit the tab key.
Close button. To activate, press enter. Content info region. WordPress link. Dialog. Close button. To activate, press enter.
Now when you hear the close button.
Proceed greater button. To activate, press enter.
The next button says proceed. That's the one you want. Okay. So now I want to tell it to proceed.
Enter. Dialog.
Now it's going to tell me don't interrupt it. It's in progress and blah, blah, blah.
Main menu navigation region. Skip. Content info region. WordPress link. Search tabs button menu. To toolbar. Not secure button menu. Selected. Number. Address insert. Main menu navigation region. Skip to toolbar. Same list with 15 items. Dash. List with 2 items. Home link. Updates link. Your site has been imported successfully. Right double angle bracket. Save permalink structure left paren opens a new window. Right paren right double angle bracket optionally. Review the plugin left paren opens a new window. Right paren finish greater heading level 1. Dialog.
Okay. See, I got the dialog and I just kept tabbing until eventually that dialog came up.
Save permalink structure link.
Now you got to click on save permalink. It has to be done. Okay. And it's going to ask you for your password again. Now remember, it's going to be the site that you imported, not the site it was. Your database has been totally replaced.
Enter. Blank. Username or email address edit. Type in text.
Okay, it's asking for my password.
LWADMIN.
I mean my user ID. And now I'm going to...
Password edit. Type in text.
I'm going to pause this video.
LP. Mark blind heroes WordPress. Bullet password edit.
There it is. I logged
Main
in.
menu navigation region. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress.
Okay. Now I'm on the permalinks because that's what it said the page was. So what I do is I hit Control Home or Control N. So I go to the bottom of the page.
Version 5.9.
And I go up from the bottom of the page because that's where the Save Changes button is.
Visited link WordPress. Thank you for creating with main region end. Save changes button.
There it is. Save Changes.
Enter. Main region. Save changes button. To activate, press enter. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark blind heroes WordPress. Category base. Wrapping to top. Main region. Help button collapsed. Heading level 1 permalink settings. Permalink structure updated.
See, it says it permalink structure updated.
Dismiss this notice button. Enter.
Okay.
Main region. Dismiss this notice. Permalink settings single left pointing angle quotation mark blind.
Now let's see what I got.
Selected.
If I got it.
Linteros.local/wp-admin/options-permalink.
Okay. Now I'm going to go to the end of the address bar because I did Control L.
End blank.
Okay. And I'm going to do Control Shift and go by word.
PHP. Selected. Permalink. Selected. Options dash. Selected. Admin/. Selected. WP dash. Selected. Blank. Blinteros.local. Press tab and enter to remove suggestion. Enter. Blinteros.local/. Selected. Blinteros.local-Google Chrome. Blind Heroes reaching new heights, improving what is possible. Blind Hero. Control Windows C.
Okay, now this is my website front page. Now remember earlier, I didn't have a front page. I said, wow, where did my front page go? I deleted it.
Main region. Article. Heading level 1. Welcome to Blind Heroes. Who is a blind hero? My goal in this website is to present tools, technique. Fellow blind people will learn enough to not only teach tricks and techniques, but to join in designing a world that accommodates all walks of life. Sighted and blind joining forces to design a world that accommodates. Heading level 2. Latest work. Learn new techniques for quickly creating WordPress webs. Wrapping to top. Main region.
Okay, so that page is there. Let's see if those 2 blog entries are back.
Primary menu navigation list end. Link contact us. Open menu button. Visited link all resources. Link about me. Visited link blog. Visited current page link home. Visited link blog. Enter. Banner region. Primary menu navigation region. List with 5 items. Blog link WordPress site in 5 minutes. Heading level 2 link.
There it is. WordPress site in 5 minutes. That's my last one. Just did that the other day.
Gutenberg blog editor index. Heading level 2 link.
And that's the one that we were also missing. So we got both of them. All right. So now you know that you can import your website from the web. Now that could have been a brand new website and I totally overrode it with this new website. It could be any site, you just totally override it. It creates a whole new website, basically. Sorry for that 10 minutes of inaccessibility. I'll be sending this video to a link to it to all-in-one and we'll get that taken care of hopefully. And anybody out there that's got any suggestions for a more accessible migration tool that's also free, or at least to be when they first start out, so that we have time to practice and get good before we go professional. Alright. Till next time, be sure you check like and subscribe because that helps other people find this content. Thank you.